How to use MaskPro WaterMarksOff Quick Detailer. Preparations. Clean the surface with water, wipe clean and dry, before applying the solution. Always wear gloves before application. Directions.
Apply a few drops on the sponge. Wipe the sponge on the car surface. Work on a small area first, then work on the rest of the exterior. Quickly, wipe the applied surface with a damp cloth, then wipe it with a dry, clean cloth.
Experience the difference and enjoy the long-lasting results. MaskPro, always brand new. Make it different.